Hey everyone, welcome to SavinABuck. I'm Josh. Glad you're here. Today we're going to be changing a hot water tank, do it yourself, save a little money. There's not a lot wrong with my tank other than it's full of calcium. I have a pretty much worthless water company and they give us borderline water up here, and that's just the way I feel. I don't drink their water, but it comes in clear, so we do use it for a shower. I understand why people are day drinking now, because they probably have water companies about like me and run into issues like this. So we'll get started. If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you do that and join us. So this water tank is plugging up our lines because of the calcium buildup in it. And I don't know if there's a real way to clean it out or try to get it all out. I just went and bought me another tank, and since it's 10 years old, we'll replace it. But if you have any ideas or know how to clean one out, I don't know, leave a comment. But I do know that if you put a little bit of vinegar in, it should clean out our lines, so we'll be doing that inside the tank. Okay, don't forget to turn off your water heater. That's important. Don't want to get electrocuted. Alright, there's the water heater we're going to be working on. So grab your water hose and hook it up and start draining your tank. And make sure your water's turned off. If you don't turn your water off, you'll keep filling the tank right on out the hose. While the tank's draining, we'll go ahead and take off our hose if we can. While it's draining, we're going to go ahead and take the electrical out. We know the electric's off, so we'll take it out. And while it's still draining, we're going to unhook the lines. Okay, in order to take this line off, it's a soldered line. It had that bend in it there. We're going to have to cut it right here and put it back together later. So this is a little copper cut-off tool that you can get about any hardware store. Now we have it cut off, we can unscrew our pipe. Alright, here's the water coming out that we're draining out of the tank. You want that to be finished draining before you move that tank. Sometimes it's not quite possible because it's going to be full of calcium, but we're going to get as much as we can get out. Alright, out with the old and in with the new. New A.O. Smith in the box from Lowe's. Turn the power back on. That's it today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next week. Make sure you like and subscribe to the videos. You don't want to miss out. See ya.